Paano kung binubudol ka lang pala ni Dunkin Donuts? So, check mo to, no? So, you're gonna see here na per piece na is 20 pesos, 6 pieces is 120, and then box of 12 is 240. So, when you do the math, no? 20 times 6, 120, tapos 20 times 12, that is 240. So, technically, kahit bibili ka ng 1 piece, 6 pieces, 12 pieces, same price lang. Pero, if you notice, yung binibili mo usually is half dozen or dozen. Tama? Now, what does this teach us? In your business, most likely, nagbibenta ka lang ng paisa-isa. Why aren't you selling in bundles? The reason why Dunkin Donuts can sell in bundles is because they ask you, they don't ask, sir, how many pieces po yung i-order nyo? Itatanong nila, sir, half dozen or dozen? Or, sir, ilang dozens? Doesn't make sense. So, by giving you this A or B option, half dozen or dozen, it makes you decide faster by saying, oh, I'll just choose 1 dozen rather than 3 pieces. Make sense? Pero if you look at it, pares lang naman talaga yung price. The reason why masasabi ko na, binubudol ka lang pala ako kasi the reason is you might think na you're saving more money by ordering 12 pieces or 6 pieces, but you're actually not. It's just the same. Okay? And just imagine if you can apply this to your business na instead of asking how many pieces, you can just say, hey, are you gonna order 3 pieces or 6 pieces? Does that make sense? Or kung nasa services ka, you can say, are you gonna go with package A or package B? That way, you're giving them like an A or B. I call this A or B clause, and you're kind of like suggesting, no? In fact, let me just share with you na early this morning, bumili ako ng taho. And typically sa taho, merong tag 20 pesos, 30 pesos, 40 pesos, 50 pesos, 60 pesos. And interesting lang kasi usually magtatanong ka, di ba, na magkano? It's very exhausting for the taho vendor na masasabi na, meron po kaming 20 pesos, 30 pesos, 40 pesos, 50. I noticed what he did to me is sabi niya, meron kami, sir, 40 or 50. Sabi ko, 50. Boom. Just like that, he did not mention the 20 or 30. He just did, meron kaming 40 or 50. So, he offered the most expensive thing first, and then if the client asks kung may cheaper pa, that's the only time na i-offer yung mas mura.